Hey y'all, it is time for another video. Today we are gonna open this beautiful new Rainbow Vision. Now, is it Meline? I'm pretty sure it's not Melanie because of the way it's spelled, but I'm gonna say Meline because of the way it's spelled. Meline Luxe. She is so pretty. I think she's my favorite out of the three, even though there is a pink girl. I'm pretty sure she's my favorite, but we're gonna see today. We are gonna unbox this beauty, so no more talking. We're just gonna get on into it. First, I'm gonna go over her box with you real quick. Now, I was able to pick her up that day. If you saw my shorts video, that's when I grabbed her, but here is the front of the box. I love the little, where it says Rainbow Vision and the lights and the little music notes. So cool. Here is the back of the box with all three of the girls. I love the box art. The box art is like one of my favorite things besides the doll. It says Rainbow Divas. My box is a little worse for the wear. It was smushed, but I bought this one because she had a prettier face to me. This here on the side that they have now, where it says what their focus is and all that good stuff. And then all the cool stuff in the boxes. I can't wait to bust her out. So what I'm gonna do is take my little scissors, cut her all out, and then come back to you when she's debox jail. All right, here she is, all out of her box jail. I'm super excited for this because when I saw her, I thought she was my favorite when I saw like the preview pictures and all that stuff. And then when I saw her in the store, she's just gorgeous. But we're gonna go through her little accessories first. Look at this. Look at this, it even works. I love this. All the stuff on this works. Like it spins around, the little wheels go. See, you can roll it. How cute is that? And all of the little things work. Like I said, these are faux lights. It's pretty cute if you think about it. And there is a little plastic tray thing that holds down these other little plastic trays that are inside here. But that is so cool that you can put them on the side if you want to, like that, or whatever. I love that this is actually functioning and pretty cool. So I'm gonna put that back. Same thing with these little doors on the front. On the inside, it's like finished. Isn't that cool? It would have been nice if they did this too, and you didn't have to see that, but you know, I'm not trying to complain. That's just nitpicky little things. And then there's this drawer that also works as well, and you can pull this out. That is so cool to me. Love this little accessory. So cool. Yay! These little accessories are adorable. I'm not gonna take them out because, you know, I wanna put them back, but these are so cool. I love the little makeup palette, and the lipstick actually works. The lid comes off and it's kind of matched to the color on her lips there. So cool, what a cool detail. Now these are not real brushes. What I mean is that these are plastic, not bristle brushes, they're plastic. I think these accessories are really cool. Love the hairdryer and all the cute stuff. So awesome. Now she comes with a little comb like they all do, the little sparkly comb, but I was glad that I didn't have to cut it out of the box. It was in the little plastic package that has the stand, so you didn't have to mess with like cutting it out. So that I enjoyed. Now here are her extra shoes. These are so cool. They kind of look like the one she has on a little. What I mean is the heel is the same and the kind of shoe shape is the same, but the accents are different, that's all. Like the thing over the toe and the thing around the ankle are different. This says RRR, and this looks like chain, like necklace or something. Pretty cool, like those. And here is her extra outfit. I'm not gonna cut it out because like I've said to you in the past, I don't wanna have all this stuff out until I get my room together, but it is super duper soft, y'all. If you could feel this through the touch-o-vision that I'm always talking about, that is so awesome. Now they do have it tacked down a lot, which I don't love, which means it's probably gonna have little pinholes in this underneath little dress, but you know, what can you do? It's really nice material from what I feel here, and it's super cute. If you look at the top there, love the little straps, and all of this fur, this faux fur is really soft. And I'm not very much for animal prints. Anybody who's watched my channel, I've said that before, but this I don't mind. I think it's kind of cute and I like the way they did it. So yay. I did want to say just real quick, this is the kind with the redesigned boxes where they do this kind of thing, which I don't love. I always end up cutting these off, these little weird tabby things, and then putting a piece of tape back over the top to hold the things in now because of these new weird boxes. I miss the old ones. Now here is the little microphone stand that actually works. I love that that swivels. I know it's a little detail, but I do really love it. You can see the little RH in the microphone. That is so cool. Here's the bottom of it. It doesn't telescope or anything, but this part works, and I think that's pretty cool. Now let's get on into her stand and the rest of her. Here is her stand, the gold stand with the sparkles. It says rainbow, and you can see her shoes. Those are pretty cool since we got her close up here. I like these. I like these better than the other ones, to be honest, but I like them both, but I do like these better. They're pretty cute. Look at the heel there. Like that new kind of weird shaped heel, kind of like a trumpety shape or whatever. Next, let's take a look at her hands and her bracelets and things. Look at these bracelets and the detailing. The hands have something new. They have molded on rings that the other dolls didn't have, and they have pointy nails. And her nails look pretty good, painted pretty nice. Let's check out this hand. Yeah, pretty nice. No drifting that I can tell, no real defects. I love these bracelets. These are super cute. Speaking of defects, I'm gonna go right into that because I noticed it when I was deboxing her. I really don't love this here. This is really bad. And so is her leg. If you can see, there's lots of thick mold lines. See them there? And they're kind of blobby. Both the legs are kind of like that. And then there's something going on there with the molding, as you can see, kind of like dented and weird. Really unhappy with that, to be honest. Like, I love this doll, don't get me wrong. She's gorgeous in every other way. If I never took this dress off of her, you would probably never see that. But, you know, if I ever want to de-dress her and put her in something else, that's really unpleasant looking on her leg there. The other leg isn't as bad, but it's not good either, see? And then on this knee, there's some kind of like indent thing, kind of like almost like a crack going on, which that makes me so disappointed because I love this doll. But that's the only gripe I can find so far. And I always tell you guys the real. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything or hide anything that I'm thinking or feeling about the dolls that I debox, because what's the point of that? So that's my only gripe so far, but still love her. Since we kind of already had a close-up, let's just talk about her dress. Look at these layers, y'all, and the ruffles. There's 3 layers here, if I can get this one apart from that one. See? It's just kind of attached. There's this top layer that's kind of like netting with the beading and the little sequins on it. And then there's this like tulle layer, and then there's this. It's really pretty, and they did hem it, which is nice. They didn't do these top 2 layers, but that's because they're netting. It's probably why they didn't, but that is really nice. It comes all the way up and then kind of goes around and gets bigger and thicker in the back, and then comes back to the front to make this kind of like crisscross here, which is really kind of cool. I like the little cutout, super cute there. And then there's one strap on her dress. Well, it's a double strap, but only one side has a strap here, and it has a little gold detail. I love that. And the little ribbon that's stuck through there is so cute. And it comes all the way down to the back there. Now it's kind of 2 pieces in the back, and it velcros there and there. See? The nice Velcro. So that's pretty cool. Like that detail. And then this shoulder is empty and free. Pretty dress. I do have to say, I like the materials they used. They did a good job on it. Really pretty. No like skimping really on that. So I'm glad for that. Did forget to say, I got her super cheap. What I did is I had that $25 gift certificate from when I did those other things around my birthday time. And when I saw her, I knew that if I found one of the new dolls, I was going to use that $25 on it so that I would get them cheaper. But she ended up with the $25 off being like $15, I think, something like that. So that's why I was able to get her after having so many hauls for my birthday. I know I got a lot. I mean, I'm not complaining or anything. I'm very grateful, but I did get a lot for my birthday. And then, you know, not too long after it, she was there, and I was just like, oh, I have to get her. I have that $25 off. It didn't expire or anything. I could use it whenever I wanted to, but I figured I was going to get her anyway, so I might as well get her while she's new, and she was my favorite, and they had her, so I did. All right, let's get close up on this beauty's face. Oh, just look at her. Now, I spent a long time looking. I got the one with the prettiest eyelashes, the prettiest eye makeup, the prettiest lips. look at this blushing. It is so beautiful. Now she does have a slight sparkle in her skin tone, but I don't mind that. Some people hate it, some people love it. It doesn't bother me. I don't hate it. I think it's appropriate on these, honestly, because, you know, they're supposed to be fancy and whatnot. So I think it looks good. It's not overdone. And the baby hairs, look at these baby hairs. These look really good. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they look a little mushed or not painted well, but these are spectacular. She's really beautiful. Her lips, everything. I kept looking at her in the store and I almost got the other one because this one's box was crushed, and I thought, well, why do that? This one has such a pretty face. So that's why I ended up getting her. Love these lips with the like peachy pinky iridescence with the gold on top. Beautiful eyes. And since we're so close up, look at these earrings, y'all. Look at all the detail on these big hoops. They say RH, and they have like the gold with the black accents. Now, this isn't the like shiny gold that we love, but I don't mind that it's not on these, to be honest. Really nice earrings. Love, love, love that. I just can't get over her gorgeous face. Just look at this face. It's beautiful at every angle, and the blushing. Love, love, love. But we've got to talk about this hair, guys. Look at this hair. This is out of the box. All I did was this and shake it some so it would relax because it was split open. I didn't, you know, go through her curls. I didn't do anything. This is straight out of the box. Lusciousness. Look at these curls. These curls are exquisite and divine and all the good words. She had really nice curls, really, really beautiful. Only like two that aren't like super, super curly. Like this one here is a little not curly, and then a little bit there, but just gorgeous. Like the gold. Look at the gold in her face, and just, she's really beautiful. If she wasn't this beautiful, I'd be more mad about the weird leg thing, but since she is this beautiful, I'm not that mad at it. You know how it is, guys. We just want them to be kind of perfect because you spend so much money on them, even though I did get her discounted because of my gift certificate of $25, but still, you know, she was still a $39.99 doll, you know, which isn't cheap. All of her detailing, the little gold around her eyes and in the eye corners, just everything is super beautiful. And like the tones of the hair, there is more than one gold tone in here, I can tell, but I'm not sure if there's three, but it's so soft. Like if you could touch this, it's just so, so soft. And I absolutely 100% love it. There is nothing that I don't love about her except for those weird defects on her legs. And I can live with that because even though I do love to put them in different things and stuff, this is really pretty. This is really nice. So I probably will keep her in this and not change her. If I do, I'll just make sure whatever it is long enough to cover that up. Now I might be able to, if I took like file or a sander, work on that a little and make it less bad, which I might do in the future, but not right now. I did want to mention that the hair is nice and thickly rooted. Really, really nice. Didn't say that before when I was talking about her hair, but I did want to say that because I like to try and give y'all as much as I can, you know, as far as details. You see she has the neck rotation where you can make her have little expressive looks and stuff. I love that. And she has all the other points of articulation, you know, the arm, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, the knee, the upper thigh, all that stuff. See, because the thigh, you can make it go like that or like that. But that is her. I'm going to put her back on her stand, her gorgeous self. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the deboxing of this brand new Rainbow Diva Meline Luxe. I'm going to call her Mel for short, for me, my purposes as a collector. I would have to say, because of the defect, I give her like an 8.5. Because of that. Otherwise, she would be like a 9 or close to a 10. But because of the defect on mine, the one I personally got, that's what I'm giving her. I'm still saying she's a buy, and she's absolutely gorgeous. So if you're on the fence, you know, don't be dissuaded by the fact that mine had a defect. That doesn't mean that yours will. And like I said, I'm still not that mad at it. I still love her, and I still think she's beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this deboxing, getting this beauty out of her box jail. I thank you so much for being with me and for watching. As always, I hope everyone watching is well, happy and safe, having the best dolly day they can, and that all the good things that are in this life that can come to you, I really truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, 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 huge subscriber love To all you wonderful, lovely subscribers, there are no words that can convey how wonderful y'all are, how special y'all are, how much you mean to me, and how grateful I am to have grown this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family like we have. It's absolutely wonderful. Love you guys. Thanks for everything. I really mean that. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because we do everything here, me in my power as the creator, to give you the best Dolly day I can, make you happy, have fun, and feel safe here in our little Dolly world that we have created with our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have built. So come along, join us, see what Dolly silliness, loveliness, and craziness we get up to, because we would love to have you. And everyone is always welcome here. Well, y'all, that is all for this D-Box jailing of this beautiful Rainbow Vision, Rainbow Diva. I hope you enjoyed it. We've reached the end, so you know what I'm gonna say. Bye, y'all.